Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Another accessory for my Tesla Model S, and I think this is the last one, and I want to show you why I ordered this. This is ordered from yeslak. Yeslak was one of the only website which I find this accessory for my Model S. Usually on the new new Teslas you get a lot of accessory easy, but when you have an older car, yeslak, they're quite good because they have plenty of accessories also from older car. So definitely, if you want to search or if you want to buy any kind of accessory from Tesla, you can check them out. I will leave the link in the description. Anyway, come here, I want to show you something. I want to show you why I ordered those pieces. Usually I wouldn't order it, but when I brought the car, you see the previous owner probably have a lot of rings, and you can see it's just scratched this plastic in this area, and it looks really bad. It looks like it's a 20 years old car, and for that reason I ordered some carbon fiber plastic trims which came over this plastic that is already here, because already inside the car here on the dashboard the car have those carbon fiber mat. Those are glossy, the same as the mirror cap. They will look really good. And yeah, I want to show you. Let me take them out to show you. The thing is that I'm not ordering only this piece, I'm ordering also the other pieces. One came here on the side, so it comes really good, and on the other side and also on the back doors the same. And I will show you the process. I will show you how you can install them and the final result. So here we are at the end. This is the way it looks right now. Before was really scratchy and ugly, and now it looks really gorgeous. You know, in the beginning I was thinking just to take something to cover that, to look just normal or basic. And now, after I ordered it and I saw them, man, I'm in love with them. I really like this carbon fiber glossy. It looks so good on the car, it fits so well. And you saw I installed it also on the back doors and also on the passenger door. And I'm really thinking serious now when I saw how beautiful is this glossy carbon fiber to change also this from the dashboard. It's matte right now, matte look good, and also it doesn't reflect the sun. But yeah, for the good looking, probably I will change this one, and I want to change also the center cone. So I will think about, I will check also again on the yeslak website to see what kind of options I have. But man, I'm so happy with the result. It looks really, really good. I hope you get some useful information from here, guys. I will leave the link in the description from yeslak if you want to order this piece, or if you want to order any other accessory from Tesla. Definitely check them out. They're super nice, and yeah, pretty happy with the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, stay safe, and we see you soon in the next one with the next change on Tesla Model S. Bye, guys.